It's Kathy from sunshiny Florida gardening, and I'm here today. Is the beginning of September 7th, 2022, and I'm thinking I'm gonna start digging up some of my sweet potatoes today because they're starting to bulge up on the ground, and I think that some are ready. I don't know about all. I'll do some today and then see how the other, because I have several little gardens, and I have 5-gallon buckets and stuff like that with sweet potato slips in them that I had planted back in the very beginning of June. And so I'm going to see how it goes here. If you want to come along with me, that would be great. Thank you. Have my trusty wagon here with me. Here we are ready to harvest some sweet potatoes that I put in June of this year and the very beginning of June, and now it is September 7th, and I've noticed some piling of dirt coming up, and I looked and I think some of the sweet potatoes are ready. Maybe not all of them, but some of them. So I have my basket here and gloves and clipper, I don't know what you call them, and my handy little hand tool, and we're ready to harvest some sweet potatoes. But before I do that, I noticed there are some okra that's ready to come up, and we just love okra, so I'm gonna pull that out first. Let me get my gloves on here. I got these gloves from Lowe's. Really good deal, and they're very comfortable. And these okra that we love, you can eat these raw, straight from the garden. Now, some people don't like them. Some people do. There is a little bit of a slime inside, but that slime really helps you digest better. It helps your digestive system when you're eating. And so, yeah, I mean, look, some people, you could just eat them like that. And they are tasty. You have to acquire a taste sometimes for them, but I like them. We like them fried and good. This one, I noticed another one right here. Another okra to be pulled. I could wait until it got bigger, but I'm going to go ahead and take it. You can freeze these for another time. You can cut them up in small little pieces and bread them and grill them, or just grill them, slice them in half and grill them. They're delicious anyway. Steam them. So let's see. Let's get down to the nitty gritty down here. I don't know if you can see, but have a small little bed here. It's about 1.5 or 2 feet by 3 or 4 feet that way. And I divided these in sections. I don't know why, but I did. And so that's just the way it is. I do have some basil here too that I'm trying not to pull up, but there I started these sweet potato slips, and they're Covington sweet potatoes, which are supposed to be very delicious. I've never even grown sweet potatoes before. This will be the first time, and I'm anxious to get in here. It might be a little soon, but let's see. Because like I said, I noticed a little bit of piling um, up the dirt in spots, and I think that some are ready here. So I'm just gonna try to do this with my hands and dig and see what happens here. Oh, I see one right here. You don't want to pull too hard because you could break the sweet potato, and then you have to eat it right away then if that happens. See if we got anything more. We did get this one here, this beautiful Covington sweet potato. It's just gorgeous. So let's see. It looks like there might be more, but I don't know if they're quite ready. I noticed the ground puffing up here and there, but maybe it's not time yet. Maybe I need to wait a little bit longer, but we shall see here. There's a couple little ones here that I just pulled up. They probably could have used a little bit more time in the ground. So what I'm thinking is that it's not ready yet, it's not time yet to pull these up, that I should probably wait a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. Thank you for coming along with me. Have a great day.